Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to export the character creator for cloth as FBX. The FBX file is a universal 3D object file that can be used in other 3D software like the Maya, any other 3D software like Blender. It's okay. So today I'm going to show you step by step how to make the ccCloth, the CC4 cloth as FBX. So start from now, I'm going to show you step by step. Now I already opened my character creator 4, and as demo I'm going to just open a cloth character, for example the Camilla 1. I double click to open it. Now Camilla is loading, have to wait for a while. Now the character creator for CC4 Camilla already successfully loaded. And next what I'm going to do is just make a T-pose. I will just click here to select a T-pose. Under the animations, motions, the pose, I choose the pose, and then choose the calibration, T-pose. It can be any pose, you want to choose a pose as well, it's okay. So once it is already in T-pose, next press Q so that you can double click to select the cloth. Then click here, convert to accessory, bake the current shape, and then convert. Now it is already become an accessory. Once it become an accessory, you can just click, you press Q to double click your avatar, and then double click the cloth. You can see this is just an accessory. You scroll down here, then click detach. Now it already become a prop. Next you can just double click your avatar and press delete button to delete your avatar. Now it just left this as a prop. So press Q to double click to select it. Now you can export it already. Click File, Export, FBX, the selected item. Then as demo, you can see to export as FBX have a lot of formats. As demo, I'm going to export it as Maya format. And then embed the size, click Export. As demo, I'm going to export it on my desktop, and the file name I will just name this as Camilla cloth. I click Save. It is going to export as FBX file at here. So now this is already an FBX file. I can just right click to open with, let's say if I open with the 3D viewer, this is for Microsoft Windows 10. To see whether, yes, it can be opened, but it don't show the texture properly. Of course, if I open with the Maya, it is already in Maya format. I drag the FBX into Maya, then just have a look. I click here. Now it shows the texture properly. Right. That's all for today about how to export the character creator for cloth as FBX 3D model. And the FBX can be used in any other 3D animations or 3D modeling or 3D game developing software like the Maya, Unreal Engine, Blender, etc. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to 3D animation, 3D modeling, and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial or sharing, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy animation and game developing. See you.